Hey guys, Mark from Denmark Bros with Miguel, Denise and Lloyd. So it's a day that we're doing a lot of cooking today, so we're going to show you another one of our recipes. It's actually monkey bread.
Monkey bread.
A lot of you probably know what it is. Yeah, it's Denny bread. Anyways, okay, so right now what you initially do is create a sweet bread. We put melted butter, milk, flour, yeast, brown sugar, and let it rise for an hour. It rolls alright, so what you have to do with it now is pull it out, punch it down, take all the air out, and form small balls with it.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. Okay, here we go. Pull that thing out.
Yeah, that's what she said.
I want to pull it.
You want to pull it?
You got some flour here.
I hate being stuck to food.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh,
there we go. So we got the dough out.
Uh-oh.
Now what we're going to do a little bit with it is add some flour, just so it doesn't stick so much. Whoa! I'm making a whole lot of mess here.
Guess who's cleaning?
You.
Denise.
No, you.
Okay.
Mom's sneaking into the picture.
She's going to sneak into the picture. Oh, there we go.
I want to
Okay.
do it.
So now that we got this, what we're going to do is we'll just cut it in half for now. Watch your fingers, Mia. And put that aside so that we can work with this batch here temporarily.
Will we squeeze?
And, well, what we want to do actually is to cut off small pieces so that we can shape odd form balls. It doesn't need to be uniform, so, okay, watch your fingers, Miguel.
Watching my fingers.
We're gonna cut a whole bunch of stuff here and make different size balls with them. Okay, Miguel, here you go. Okay. Just an odd shape, and what you have to do is put it in a bun pan. Just stick them in there, put them all over the place, and once we have a whole layer of these bread balls in there, we're going to take some melted butter, brush it all up, and add cinnamon sugar, which Denise is going to do the mixture of, right, Denise?
Yeah.
And melt the cinnamon sugar mixture.
Cinnamon.
Okay, so get that ready, Denise. We're going to need that in a few seconds. Okay, Miguel? We'll just leave him there
The rest?
because that's going to be another roll. Don't put too much flour on it. Okay, we'll just put these aside. Okay, this is Miguel.
Now I need the next one. Flour?
Nope, that's good.
Can I cut it in half? No. I'll cut it in half.
Cut it in lines. Right? You want? Okay. Good. Nice going. Okay, go here. Let's do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now
You cut it in squares.
put it in the square. Okay. I'm gonna go like that. And I'm gonna go like that.
Different.
Yeah, all different size.
What's the pepper shit?
Make little lengths, Bert. You roll it, just roll them up. It doesn't matter how, because once they cook, they're gonna go all over.
Yeah.
Okay, so Denise mixing up a sugar cinnamon mixture.
So it's ready.
So what type of mixture you got, Denny?
Well, we're gonna be mixing cinnamon and salt, and that's my mixture.
Cinnamon and salt mixture.
Bless you.
It's always good.
See, cinnamon and salt. Salt, sugar. That'd be a good prank to
What's that?
Salt.
Cinnamon needs sand. It smells pueblos.
Pueblos.
Achoo!
Yeah, Miguel was saying you should put pepper in there instead of cinnamon. That'd be another good another good prank.
No, I was just telling Mimi we should substitute salt for that sugar.
Salt for sugar, yeah.
No
Okay.
sugar.
So, Denny,
do we got the melted stuff? Yeah.
we got the melted butter.
All right. That's
Go
only.
there and
What we're gonna do, guys, the melted butter, we're just gonna slap it around
just wash it down.
just to make it stick. It doesn't need to be perfectly,
Perfect.
just slap it in there and away you go. Okay? Here we go.
Then you go around and you sprinkle the cinnamon sugar kind of all over the bread.
That looks good.
Oh yeah.
And then you put the others, I think.
And you put the others.
Like a sushi thingy.
Okay. And some more all over the place.
Oh, that will be good.
Yeah.
Super good. That's why I'm going super fast. Okay, done. Now.
Mais un petit peu dans tous les trous.
So now it will be like a cake.
Okay, Denis, get your okay, let me get
Butter
oh,
over
attends une petite peu.
I want to do it.
Here's your butter.
Can I do it now?
No, I got this one, Ming.
Je peux mettre le sucre tant que ton repas soit fini.
And spreading it comme ça.
And this is gonna go on and on and on until we get to the top mark.
Yeah, until we get all the bread done, and then we're gonna cook it and give you a show. We wish we could let you taste it, but until
Okay.
they make that taste division
Screw
or
them, man, it's ours.
smell the video or whatever.
Smell a taste of vision. PlayStation 7.
Okay, so we'll come back as soon as it's done. It's 4:50 for 15 minutes. See you later. Okay, Mimi's doing some of her videos to put up on her channel, so she asked me to finish off the monkey bread. So the monkey bread's been sitting on the counter and left to rise for another 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to double in size because the yeast is still working. So we're gonna look at it right now and see what it did. Nice.
It did grow you.
It raised. It did raise at least twice.
Yep.
So we're gonna cook this stuff. It's gonna raise even a little bit more, and then it's gonna cook sort of like cinnamon rolls. So
Yeah, like cinnamon.
in the oven. In the oven, 350 for 40 minutes.
350.
Here she goes.
There she goes. Hasta la buenos, baby. Come on.
See you in a bit.